Local news for Thursday the 2nd of March. The 2017 Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Dairy Industry Awards Share Farmer of the Year winners say entering the competition has given them a better understanding of their whole business. Rob and Shirley Seardon were the victors at the 2017 Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Share Farmer of the Year annual awards dinner held last weekend. The Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Dairy Industry Awards field days will be held on the 14th of March. Several national children's events will take place on Sunday as the country celebrates National Children's Day. St Luke's and Greytown are holding a fun day with a teddy bears picnic in Carterton from 9:30 at Carrington Park, and a fun day and junior talent show will take place in Masterton next to the Kids Zone Playground from 10 o'clock. All events are on Sunday. And in sport, in this weekend's senior cricket, Saturday sees Red Star take on Lansdowne, with Greytown hosting Hutt Cricket Academy on Sunday. Greytown currently hold a narrow lead in the standings. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.